All right, guys, this is getting under that 1970 Plymouth Superbird clone. This was originally a Satellite. This has got under here, it's got a 528 HEMI. Does have your 4-speed A833 manual transmission. Look at these custom headers. Those are just set up right. Going back into your drive shaft, but look at this. These floor panels, they are in such good shape. It's got a few, it's got like something right there, and there's a little bit just right back over here that you can see, but no structure integrity has been damaged with that. You got your dual exhaust, of course, with your cutouts, and then also you're getting back in here into your rear end, and that looks like that is going to be your 8-inch rear end. You have your drum brakes here in the rear. You have your new fuel tank, that's for your fuel injection system. And as we get more through the vehicle, we'll do the test drive. I'll show you the exterior, I'll show you the interior as well. So you want to make sure that you stay tuned to that. And hey, it's nothing without a HEMI.
You got them spinning tires, do you? You suck! You do!
This is a pretty fresh build. Brakes are good on it. Hey guys, it's Hutch, Classic Car Addict, Mesa, Arizona. I'm going to bring this brand new addition. This is a 1970 Plymouth Superbird. It is just amazing. It's got a 528 HEMI in it. It's got an A833 4-speed manual transmission with a Hurst shifter. Oh yeah, it's got the pistol grip in there. Look at these NASCAR spec rims on it. This thing is awesome. And it's priced well comparably. It's not an actual Superbird, it is a clone, but it's got all the right stuff on it. What we're gonna do is go through the exterior, go through the interior, and take you on a test drive. But first, let's give you a start up. So this does have your Dakota Digital gauges. I actually really do like these. This thing is not just a beast, but it is awesome. It sounds good. All the metal work is right. And it's not a real Superbird, but also it's something that you can actually drive and enjoy instead of having to make sure that you don't do anything with it and wreck it and destroy it because of the value. Again, they aren't cheap, but this thing is in really, really good condition. There's a few little things on the paint right here that I did see, and then when the lights come up, it does rub just a little bit there and there. But even just down here, really good shape. Again, this is metal. Hood pins. All the top is in really good shape. There is a little bit of a little chip right there on the paint. This is all pretty good. Windshield's in good shape. The vinyl top is in really good shape. Like a little bit of kind of stain in there, but I'm sure this will just kind of come out. Back window does have, yeah, there's a little bit of a crack there, and then there's a little bit of a crack there. But again, everything's done right on this. This is an adjustable spoiler too. And this thing is rowdy. It is rowdy. It is fuel injected as well, so you can just get into it and it literally just starts right up. Love that. As you can see here, windshield is in good shape. There's a little pink chip right there. You go through, you can see just a few smaller imperfections on that, but the paint is in really good shape and the fenders are in really good shape. If you saw from the undercarriage, so good. There's a little chip right there. We just like to point everything out so that you know exactly what you're getting. This does have the Bassett wheels. Tires are in good shape. Right through there's your Daytona. Let's see, that Daytona. So these are 18, so they're about 6 years old. It's about ready for new ones. But such good shape. Yeah, panel-wise, I mean, these are long, big panels, and they are nice and straight. And then you got your Mickeys here on the rear. That's a 275, 50, 15, and those are ready to go. You got decent clearance right here. You know, obviously these fenders really haven't been rolled. I would actually probably roll them to get a little bit bigger tire, but that's about max size out of that without having any type of issues. Yeah, that's the best sound right there. Hurst equipped. So obviously this shows us a Roadrunner. Not a Roadrunner, it is a Satellite. But if you are familiar with these, most of the ones ran in NASCAR were actually Satellites. But look at these panels. I mean, to get these panels that straight, that is good. Big top in here in the rear, get the Bassett rims all the way around. And then Bassett in the front as well. All the tires are in good shape. I'm not a huge fan of hood pins. But there you go. So new fuel injection, aluminum radiator, electric fan. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is what it's all about right here. I mean, just look at how clean all of this is. It is in such good shape. Beautifully done. Beautifully done. And just like the undercarriage, just really well done. There's all that. Let's get into the interior. Door panels are in great shape. Windows roll up and down. Seats, those are in great shape. I love that. I love the two-tone. I love that look. Back windows go up and down really nice too. Everything's holding just like it should, and it is a nice warm day today, so. Let's get into the trunk. And you can see, obviously it's got your clearance right there, and then how well it's done in here. And you just see this is all metal. It's not Bondo filled. It's done the right way. It really is. It is done the right way. Little weather stripping right there. I'm not a fan of mats because they just keep in so much moisture. But you can see, really, really nice. And then this can get cleaned up, not an issue with that. Shuts nice, fitment's good on it. All these are usually off a little bit with fitment. I see that quite a bit. They're just such a big car. Everything's really good. Maybe up just a little bit on that side. You could adjust it out just a little bit. But getting over here, passenger side, door panels all in great shape. Dash is in great shape. Headliner's in great shape. Also the light does work. See right there, back seats are in good shape. Windows actually roll up and down really nice. We've had a few here that have had, you know, a few issues, but this one's all in good shape. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, so fitment's actually pretty good on that. Let's get into the test drive, or finish it out at least, right? I love how these gauges light up. Light up really nice. Let's get you guys strapped in. All right. Yeah, this thing's a monster. It really is. You gotta have room to be able to drive this one, because if you don't got enough space, it's not going to fit. Yeah, I mean, even for as big as it is, it's got a little bit of roll, and those brakes are in good shape. Turn signals, those are off. So, you know, the few things that I would do to this, everybody asks me, you know, what would you do to it? So me personally on this one, obviously I'd get the turn signals fixed. I would get a backup camera, just something that kind of go in there. The A833 4-speed's a great transmission. I would go into a Tremec. That's just to get that 6-speed in there, but just because it's a lot smoother. With that, that's really, those are the first kind of things that I do. Drive it around, have something where I can have some good tunes, Bluetooth, backup camera, you know, stuff like that. Other than that, this thing's ready to go. And I mean, just like it is right now, it's also fully ready to go. The thing handles well, it turns well. Drives out well. Yeah. photos, we have online financing, we have nationwide transport, we specialize on enclosed, and that's what we do. All classiccaraddict.com.